Cause I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay, all day.
What's up, Slay Squad? It's your girl K Beauty. I'm back with another video. Y'all already know what it is. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell next to it so you'll be notified when I post a new videos. So I'm gonna basically explain to you guys how I do my eyebrows. You want to make sure you get a nice angled brush with a spoolie on the end, and that's gonna be the best type of brush to do your eyebrows with. And if you're having trouble doing your eyebrows, like as you can see, like I'm putting a dot at the beginning of my brow and then at the end, like the tail end of my brow. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and connect those dots. That's like the best way for you to go ahead and do your brows. Just do a dot in the front and then do a dot at the end and just go ahead and connect the dots and just fill your brow in, as you can see that I'm doing here. So just go ahead and fill that in. You can do the same, you could achieve the same look using brow pomade, but I don't have that right now, so I'm just going to use this contour powder here. You could use eyeshadow, you could use anything you want. Basically just go ahead and get that nice shape, fill it in, and brush out the beginning of your brow because you don't want it to be super blocky and super thick right there. So just go ahead and brush that out. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, and you can use any concealer that's close to your skin tone. And you want to go ahead and make sure that everything is looking nice and crispy before you apply the concealer. And the concealer is going to be your best friend because y'all see I have not got my eyebrows done and it's like some little sparse hairs going on. So the concealer should be my best friend. I'm finna hide all those little hairs. So you just want to get a color that's fairly close to your skin and go ahead and basically trace out that your lines, like just clean it up, I mean.